To achieve greatness, you must persevere, and when bad times come, don't forget your goal, because your end goal is all that really matters. And sometimes things are put in our way to simply test us to see if we really wanted to achieve that goal. And in achieving your goal, sometimes you gotta sacrifice. Sacrifice material things and remember the bigger picture. Times in life of sorrow, happiness, and troubled times, they're God's way of testing us to see if we really want that goal. Because work is the only way that you can achieve that, and self enlightenment. Self enlightenment, my friends, is just discovering who you really are. And when you discover who you really are, you discover what you want to give to the world. Sometimes the world's not ready for what you have to say, but if the world around you cares about humanity, or if it doesn't, it's all that matters is between you and your own personal aura. I say sometimes it's better to give to the light than to the darkness. When you give to the darkness, all you get is deceit and unhappiness in the end. It may seem like it's a good trade off, but it really isn't. Darkness feeds off you, friends, all the time. And it tries to stop you from evolving to a higher vibration. And it's that peace that the darkness will take from you. And you got to guard your peace. Guard your moments of special moments that make you make you care and love, because that's what people of deceit will try to take from you. It's said in many Bibles, many great people have said this, and just keep your higher vibration and love the light.